Hi, my name is Guery Quispe. I'm a structural engineer in the forensics practice. I joined Thornton Tomasetti back in 2021 as an intern, and now I'm a senior engineer. I specialize in forensic investigation, structural assessment, and emergency responses. I also play a key role in the drone community practice. Every 2 months or 3 months, we train new pilots to learn the basics of how to fly the drone. One thing I loved about Thornton Tomasetti is since the first day I started as an intern, people treated me as an engineer and professional, and I felt I was making an impact just as an intern. One of my favorite parts about working at Thornton Tomasetti is also getting to know all the people and from different backgrounds and different expertise. I also had the great opportunity to go all the way to Rwanda, Africa. With a team of 10 people, we were able to build a bridge for the people in need. Back when I was growing up in my tiny town in Bolivia, I had a house that collapsed due to a landslide. So when I was growing up, it was my passion to try to understand why things collapse. And joining the forensics practice at Thornton Tomasetti made me realize that I could actually get this expertise. And that's where I found my passion in this company, to keep growing on my career and keep learning from all these experts that we have in the company.